Former Department of Public Works and Highways Bulacan Assistant District Engineer Bryce Erickson Hernandez tags Senator Joel Villanueva and Jinggoy Estrada in allegedly anomalous flood control projects. Hernandez makes this claim Tuesday, September 9 before the House of Representatives' Infrastructure Committee.
Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung sino o kanino kami naging bagman, sasagutin ko na po ngayon. Sabi ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, ligtas ka na. Hindi po ito totoo. Si Senator Jinggoy Estrada, Senator Joel Villanueva, Yusek Robert Bernardo, at D. Alcantara.
Hernandez alleges Estrada channeled 355 million pesos worth of projects to Hagonoy and Malolos in 2025 with a 30% SOP or kickback. He adds, in 2023, Villanueva released 600 million pesos worth of projects in Balagtas, Bulacan, also with a 30% cut. In the same hearing, Hernandez and his assistant JP Mendoza showed photos and screenshots of conversations supposedly proving Villanueva's and Estrada's involvement in the Public Works kickback scandal. There were alleged SMS and Viber conversations between Villanueva and Alcantara. There were also photos where Estrada and Alcantara posed together in public events. And there were piles of cash supposedly for delivery to politicians. Meantime, Estrada and Villanueva deny Hernandez's claims.
I am confident that I have not committed any illegal act. If Mr. Hernandez truly stands by his allegations, I challenge him right now to take a lie detector test with me.
Uulitin ko at parang sirang plaka na po ako, Mr. President. Wala po ako kailanman naging flood control project. Tayo po ay more than willing mag-undergo at sumali sa anumang investigasyon sapagkat wala po tayong tinatago.
Hernandez also says former district engineer Henry Alcantara acted as the chief implementer who directly coordinated with politicians. Alcantara supposedly took a 3% commission for himself and instructed engineers to tell contractors that an additional 2% finder's fee was needed if they wanted to secure more projects. But Alcantara denies Hernandez's allegations, saying he did not personally deliver funds to politicians.